how to settle the customer or make a receipt payment of the customer. Click on contacts, click on customers, select actions, and there are two methods. You can either click on pay here and you can enter the amount directly regardless of the invoice, and select the payment method, whether it is cash, card, check, or bank transfer, and the payment account, whether it is cash or bank account, and then click on save. And the other method is click on actions, where you can receive the payment according to the invoice. Select sales here, and in the sales you can see here the view invoice. Select whichever the invoice you want to make the payment, go to the actions and add the payment here, and select the payment method and then click on save. The payment will be saved. In order to see the payments, click on payments here. We can view the payments here and take a printout of the receipt.